I just put in
Make sure you get that in there.
the girl?
Big waterfall, eh?
You want to ride it and take the girl for a little bit? Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. Okay. Can I go? Danielle, can I go in the back? I can only take one. Unless I take the red one.
No, not that way.
Can I go in the back?
About 300-foot waterfall, maybe?
Hang on. One more time. One more time, Tiger. Your eyes are closed.
Well, let me... Can you
I figure that's a jet ski. You gonna go through it? Go through it, Ted!
Go for it. Take a picture of it. Oh, come on.
Come on, Ted!
I'll go through it. Come on!
Okay.
Oh my God.
Did you get it?
Okay. Get a picture with Cindy. Go through it! Whoa!
Come right here. So we can...
Come on, Karen, you can do it! Go through it! Come on, Karen! Yeah!
Yeah, let's take a picture.
Go fast if you're afraid.
Go slow! Ready? I'll take a picture. You got the waterfall in the back, right? Did you get it?
Ted, go through it fast.
Unless I'll ride the red one and both of you guys can go.
Go fast, Ted.
There's one of you with your eyes closed. Which one?
Boo. Come on, Karen, do it.
Who has their eyes closed? Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Go, Karen.
You didn't even get the waterfall.
Huh?
You didn't even get the waterfall.
Somebody's